Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can save music from YouTube to your files. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube. So once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right and go on to the YouTube studio. So once you are in your YouTube studio, you simply need to scroll here and click here audio library. So once you are in your audio library, here you can find different music, and let's suppose if you want to download any music, you see on front of the music download option, you simply need to click on that and you can easily download any music. So this is the complete process by which you can save music or download music from YouTube to your files. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.